So this is the first part, is the HTML structure and layout. So what is this HTML structure and layout? So we will be now working on live. Actually we are creating this video such that you to get acquainted with this sort of project things. In case of any kind of project, when you are working on a project, when you are trying to create a new project, always keep it in mind that first of all create a new folder like this. Go to your desktop, create a new folder, name it as my first project, or anything, any name you can give here, anything it will be accepted, but provide some name that will be meaningful to you later, that you will be understanding that this is my side project and I have just worked on it. So all you have to do is to first create that folder. Now you double click and get into it, right click here, right click, create a new text document first, name it as my first site. And in case of extension name, this is known as the extension name. Everything that comes after this dot option will be the extension name of the file my first site. So what we have told you earlier, that every HTML document that needs some .html or .html option. So all you have to do first, you have to change this extension name to, you change it to .html and press enter. And after you press enter, you will be getting this dialog box of rename that will be telling you that if you change a file name or extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Always press yes, and you will see that your first HTML document is produced here, is created here. Now if you double click onto it, then it is now being opened with the browser, but you see nothing, no displays here. Actually you provided nothing here. Then how do you expect that something will be appearing over here? So that is why we need to first create document inside this .html file, and then we will be expecting some display into the browser. So first of all, right click on it and open it up with as I said, Notepad. Now first of all we have to create the basic structure of HTML. So what is the basic structure of HTML? Actually the basic structure of HTML is as follows. First of all, you specify that this is an HTML document. Of course you close that HTML document. Now remember in mind that the tag you have created here, this is known as the opening tag. And in case of HTML, wherever you are opening a tag, all you have to do is to close that tag. Now while you are closing this tag, all you have to do is to place a slash tag ahead of this HTML document, and the HTML tag will be closed here. Now just write here as accordingly, head. So I am closing the head tag over here, and into this head segment here comes the title. Now close the title first. All you have to do, what is the title of your web page? So that should be my first website. Now after you have closed your head tag, now you just concentrating on the body part. So here comes the body part. Close it. Now after you have closed this body tag, now just insert some content such that that thing will be being displayed here into your browser. So all we are now writing, this is my first website, folks. All you have to do is to go to file and then save, Now come back to your browser and reload. Now you see that the thing I have written here, the content I have placed here, this is my first website folks, it is now being displayed into this main part, into the body part of this browser, and you see that the title that I have entered here, it is now actually coming over here. This is the title part, my first website, and this is the body part. This is my first website folks. So anything you write here, anything you provide here, that will be displayed here, like have a good look on it, I just created this site and I am happy to look at it. Now just press save, or you may directly press the Ctrl S. This is the keyboard shortcut to save option. Then you come back to your internet browser and you just reload the page, and you see that the content you entered here, that this is my first website folks, have a good look on it. Sorry, this is not the lock, this is a good look on it. Press Ctrl S, come back here and reload, and you see that the content I have placed here is coming over this place. So anything I place here outside those tags, those will be displayed over here. So friends, this is the HTML structure and layout. All you got to know here is about when you are writing a HTML document, all you have to do, you have to think it as a human body. Let's say it on this way, like this is the human HTML, this is the head of this human, that means head of HTML, where the title, and in time we will be learning that other controlling things or other source files or other links, those will be appearing into this head section. And this is the body part of that particular human or HTML in this case. This is the human analogy of HTML that can be descriptive. So this is the basic structure of HTML. First of all, you have to specify that the document is an HTML document you are creating here. Then you have to specify the head part. Within this head part you have to specify the title part, and then after end of this title part you are now creating a body part, and then you are just closing the HTML part. So this is the basic structure of HTML. You see that a lots of definitions or understanding or explanations, those are coming here. So all you have to do is to go through this thing. Like here I said this sign is known as a tag, and this allows browsers telling them what specific work to do. Those are actually doing some specific works over here. So all you have to do is to go through this part. What we are doing here in this video tutorial, that we have let you know that how to create the basic structure of HTML. But to understand that part properly, you must go through this book and you must know what about those specific tags, what work actually they are doing there, what service they are providing there. So to know this, you must go through this book to understand about those tags and things, those sort of things.